Yeah. She walks in like a rumor in red, lipstick the color of everything you regret. Names fall off her like ashes from a flame. She laughs at the danger, then forgets your name. Silver cigarette case full of phone numbers. She flips it open like a switch in a chest. Says, tell me your story, but never your weakness. She's taking your pulse while you're taking her dress. She's a femme fatale with a hollow point heart. Smiles like mercy, then tears you apart. You think you're the hunter, you're already marked. She's a femme fatale with a hollow point heart. Hey! Hey! Hotel hallway smells like cheap cologne. She leans on the door frame, says you're not going home. Every promise she makes has an exit wound. You swear you can change her, you'll be gone by noon. She keeps a drawer full of golden confession, watches and wallets and wedding rings, Polaroid faces with the corners folded, love letters burned down to the key lines and sand. She's a femme fatale with a hollow point heart. Smiles like mercy, then tears you apart. You think you're the savior, you're only a spark. She's a femme fatale with a hollow point heart. In the back of the cab, she's painting her lashes, using your reflection in the window like glass. Ask you ever been scared of getting what you wanted? You laugh, then you notice your hand shaking fast. She prays in the mirror, hands on the sink, says, forgive me, Father, but her eyes never blink. There's a photo of her as a child in the corner. She turns it face down when the night starts to sink. Is it armor? Is it aim? Is she broken or just plays that game? You reach for her like a last cigarette, knowing each breath is a deeper debt. She once fell in love with a boy from the border. Taught her that kindness can cut like a blade. He left her a scar in the shape of a promise. Now every soft thing has a price to be paid. Morning after, you wake to a silence, while it a little lighter, heart full of holes, lipstick on the glass and a message in eyeliner. Don't look for me, darling, I already stole your soul.